Have you always thought that 4K resolution cell phone screen is definitely clearer than 2K, and 2K is stronger than 1080p? Then you may need to update this concept, because the resolution is not just a simple digital comparison. 1080p, 1920 by 1080, 2K, 2560 by 1440, 4K, 4096 by 2160. These are just pixel resolutions, but the real key metric is a PPI. With the same 2K resolution, a 6.1-inch phone may display sharper than a 12.9-inch tablet. This is because the pixels are more densely arranged on a 6.1 screen. The formula for calculating PPI is easy. Add the square of the number of horizontal pixels to the square of the number of vertical pixels. Then open the square root, and finally divide by the screen size. For example, a 6.1-inch 2K screen might have a PPI of 481, while a 12.9-inch one is only 227. What's more unexpected is that the PPI of a 6.1-inch 1080p phone screen is likely to be higher than a 12.9-inch 2K tablet screen. This means that the level of visual detail is superior, but a 2K screen tablet will instead demand more graphics processing power from the chip and consume more power.